Hi, I have a Candy grandO condenser dryer that stops after 5 minutes drying and the empty water light comes on even though the water container is empty. Have you any idea what the problem may be? It's only a month old.
Hi, I'm Daniel and I'll be helping you today. I've been repairing white goods for 20 plus years and currently work for a well-known manufacturer. Can you post the model number, please? Regards.
GCC 591NB.
Hi, okay, if it's coming up with the water light and the bottle is empty, then it's going to be either the pump faulty or the water chamber is blocked. I'm afraid these dryers are not the easiest to fix. As to access the pump and water chamber, you need to remove the top and then remove the front panels on the dryer, then remove the plastic housing at the front which the drum runs round on. Then you can remove the belt and remove the drum. Now you can access the water chamber at the bottom, so remove the pump out of it and give it a good clean, as it blocks up with fluff. Once it's all clear, make sure the pump is clean as well. Then refit the drum and panels and then retry the dryer and see how it goes from there. Fingers crossed this will cure it. If you need any more info, just get back to me. Regards.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.